Okay, something just I have a scent, a vanilla scent.
Smells like
I'm gonna add
chlorine.
shaving cream.
Look, it's liquidish.
So every single
Look.
slime,
Liquidish.
before you activate, it's
not thick.
liquidish. You have to knead it, and you're not gonna like this part.
Yeah. Ew.
It chunks up.
It's
and
ugly.
It makes slime. Now it's time to get in.
What do you mean?
Knead it. Put your hands in.
I need gloves.
Okay.
Ooh!
Ah! Hey guys, it's Tulene, and today I'm gonna be doing another video. And today I have my cousin Ray with me.
Hi.
Yeah, and I'm gonna teach you how to make slime because I think he made slime before, but I'm not sure.
Nope.
Okay, and he's gonna make instant snow slime, and I'm going to make fluffy slime. I'm gonna show him how to make slime, and yeah. Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Video, yes. Okay, so I have a bowl. I have the
My
foam
bowl.
one, and he has the clear one, cause yeah.
Plastic.
Okay. Cause
Okay.
I'm not a bowl to do this. Okay, I have my gallon of glue here.
It looks good.
How?
Looks like.
Okay, watch. Just watch.
Okay.
Okay.
I have some
Let me
glue
put-
in my cup.
Bowl. I'm only gonna make a tiny batch. I don't need slime.
I need slime. I don't have any slime.
Hashtag. You need. Yeah, you do have. You have general.
Thanks.
I know. Okay. That's why I have a. I have a scent. Okay, something just. I have a scent. A vanilla.
Smells like
I'm gonna add
chlorine.
shaving cream so you can have more.
Add more.
No, it'll become too fluffy. I'm
Yeah, I
actually
want
making
it
fluffy.
fluffy.
No,
Okay.
I thought you want instant snow slime.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, what the heck?
Okay, so should I mix it?
Yeah, mix it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ugh, man, that smells bad.
Okay, now me mix mine. Do you want a food dye?
Sure.
What color do you want it to be? now just mix.
What colors do you have?
I have any color you want. Blue?
Metallic?
Yeah, but
Metallic.
yeah, if I
Okay.
add metallic, if I add like pigment and metallic, it's gonna turn into like one color. It's not gonna be shiny because you have to add it in clear glue, and I don't have clear glue.
Smells not bad now.
Okay, smells like men.
What?
Here, okay, here.
Smells like the barber shop.
Why is mine so thick? Mine's very nice. I'm actually gonna like the slime.
Look at
Okay, what's that? I mean, now what's that? What color?
that. Blue.
I'm going to have a peach.
Wait, let me see metallic.
Yeah, but
Metallic
you
and
can't.
blue.
No, what do you mean? You can't have that
Wait, I want to see
because it's
metallic.
not gonna work.
I just want to see it.
It's not gonna work. It's gonna make that because it's white. White makes everything white.
Okay.
So
okay.
you
Just
can't.
blue.
Okay, blue. So we did. I made mine peachy. Mine's very nice. His is blue, and he wanted fake snow slime,
Yeah.
but
whatever that
his is fluffy now. So okay.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I added shaving.
Look, it's liquidish.
So every single
Look.
slime
Liquidish.
before you activate, it's
not thick.
liquidish. Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, well, mine is.
I'm
very
gonna make
good.
it a thick snow slime. It's gonna be very good.
You don't add the fake snow now. You have to activate it first. You know that? Oh wait, it's about to go!
Bismillah.
It's going on the table. Okay, I'm gonna activate it. You want to activate yours?
Oh, yeah.
You have to. Anyway.
Wait, how do I know if it's good or not?
You have to knead it, and you're not gonna like this part.
Yeah. Ew.
It chunks up,
It's
and
ugly.
it makes slime.
Okay, that's ugly now.
That's how
That
every
is
slime
really
is.
ugly. I don't like that. See, it became pudding.
Oh my God.
See, it became pudding. It's not dripping.
Because what do you want slime to
I
be
don't like
liquid?
this. Yeah. See, what is this?
Here, you know what? You just mix mine, and I'll do yours. Yours is not that bad. Yours is
The
not even
heck is
activated.
this?
That's why.
This is like pancake mix.
What the heck? Where'd you get the pancake mix from?
The brain.
Oh. And I don't have one. No, I'm kidding.
I think it's possible.
You just have to mix it, and you have to
I
knead
broke
it.
my hand. I completely broke my hand.
Do not break my spoon.
See, it's like pudding now.
Let me make yours, because this is a fail, basically, because I was trying to teach you how to make slime, and you don't, you making slime, like.
Okay, give me mine back. Give me mine back.
Okay,
I can't stand yours.
Well, why? Mine's just a fluffy slime. Yours is a fluffy slime, but I'm gonna add fake snow after.
Oh, yeah. Mine is looking
Oh, mine's looking good.
Oh, look at that.
That's like, okay.
What was that?
It's called activator.
That's barely a drop.
Yeah, because do you want your slime to be stiff like a rock? Oh my god.
Looks good.
Here, now let's attempt to
break
get
my
in.
spoon.
Now let's attempt to get in.
What do you mean?
I need it. Put your hands in.
I need gloves.
I'll stick to the gloves. Here. Wait, it's too sticky. Yours is too sticky. I put too much. I put too much glue for yours.
Kill you.
I don't have this much glue. Wait, am I joking? Oh yeah, I don't have this much glue. You know what? I need to buy a new gallon.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, mine's sticky. I like it. Do not put your slime on this because it will stick.
Okay. I'll remove it quick.
No, it will stick. Me and Jenna made slime, and it will stick. Mine's sticky. Mine's sticky.
Oh, this slime is pretty good. Okay, so now
you need it. Do not. That's it. Do not yet. Do not.
should I need it?
No. It's gonna get everywhere.
I'm gonna need
I
it.
got slime in my hair 3 times already, so.
She
Got slime yesterday, and then
when
before
she,
that,
when
and
she
then I
said
got-
when she said she doesn't have a brain, it's true. She was what do you call it? Jump roping with slime, and it all got stuck to the ceiling, and it got stuck to her hair too.
Yeah, but I fixed the ceiling. I didn't fix it, but I cleaned it. And you guys don't have any evidence that it's on the ceiling because it's not there anymore.
You removed it.
Yeah, I removed it. And then, ah! Oh, okay.
Ooh!
It's okay. At least the whole thing didn't go
I
on.
made it. Ooh. Survival.
Survival. What are you up north? I made slime up north, you know that?
Say wallah.
Okay. Wallah. It's orange for like hunting.
Oh, I'm tired.
Slime is an exercise. See? Look. This is how all the slime
is
goes
mine-
down.
Like a
Look.
liquid.
And I'm gonna put mine back because mine's a little sticky.
Okay, can I? Oh yeah.
Ah! No.
Can I put mine down? Or can I
No,
put mine
no,
down?
do not put yours. Here, wait, hold up.
It's like making eggs.
No?
Yeah.
No. This is very good lighting. I'm in love with this. What time is it?
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Okay. You should have a YouTube channel. Let me feel yours.
No.
It's just a little sticky. Here, wait. Let me take all this stuff off, but it's good. I'm gonna start an Etsy shop, so if you guys want some of my slime, you know, just comment down below what slime you would like on the Etsy shop. Any kind, because I can make any kind.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You can't make glow in the dark.
Yes, I can. I just need the powder. I can get it at like Walmart or something.
Look at this.
Okay. Okay, give me.
I mixed
That's
the
not
heck out of
flexible.
mine.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll take.
Hurry up.
Okay. Anyways. Okay. I'm gonna get a copyright. Turn it off.
No, you're not.
Oh my god, yours is sticky, but it's good.
Okay.
You're...
Oi! Almost broke the thing.
If it's sticky for me, it's gonna be sticky for you. If this is sticky to me, it's gonna be glue for you because your hands are hot.
Hot.
Yeah, whenever you touch, here, give me your hand.
Your hands are cold, man.
Exactly. I have
See?
cold hand. That's why my slimes are always sticky to you guys. Okay. This is gonna be sticky for you here. You can hear it's still on, right?
Yeah, he loves Fortnite.
What's Fortnite?
Some game.
Okay. His is actually like a putty. I like it. I'm gonna keep it.
Huh?
What?
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 Did you say?
No, I don't know.
Mine's like a putty.
Yeah. Here, wait. I'm gonna activate it because I know it's gonna be sticky to you. It's gonna be sticky to you. Just don't even touch it.
Ew, this is like a putty.
No, it isn't.
Ew, there's like a slug.
Boy, if you don't get
A slug? How do you know what a slug feels like?
Because I touched it.
Ew.
Psych.
Don't put it next to the computer. It's gonna like fall.
I'm gonna drop.
Yes, it is.
You destroyed my slime.
Is there any computer that's waterproof?
Yep.
Oh my god! That's not how you play with slime. Ew, that's
I
so
play.
unsatisfying.
Ew!
Why is it so not hot now? Your hands are so hot. Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Oh my god.
I'm becoming an avatar.
There you go.
Still so much slime on me.
Okay, I can get it off. Hold up.
This is gross. Never want to touch slime in my life.
Well, how come I made you one then?
I don't know. You did.
Fine, if you don't want this, just give me
Nope, nope, I want it. But I'm gonna make it good.
it. Okay. And I have the fake snow right here. Everything just fell.
It's actually real snow. We got it from outside.
And for this slime, since it's snowing outside, I thought maybe snow can make snow slime. And it's not activating. I think it's because of the snow. Yes, I feel some of it activating. Oh my god. Activate! Oh my god. What's wrong with this? Oh my god, my hands are No.
I'm making a flippin' mess. That's what I am today. Okay. Let's see.
What are you doing?
I'm safe. It's sticky. I
Enough
don't
activator, man.
I don't
I'm
want to add
Spider-Man.
too much activator because I know it's gonna become stiff.
Okay, well, don't make it stiff.
I'm not. But I can't find a way to make slime not stiff for you guys because if I make it too stiff, it's gonna be too stiff, and if I make it too if I make it good for me, it's gonna be sticky to you because I have cold hands and you guys have hot hands. So
Wow.
this is actually very good. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, touch it now. Alright, wait.
Mine's are cold. Spider-Man.
Never mind.
Well, you're gonna ruin my slime. Oh my gosh.
I'm not.
I don't need you. I don't need you. I can do it by myself. Come here.
Okay, yours is good.
Oh yeah, it's very, very good. Very good. Very
I added
good.
so much activator. How?
Very good. You even made it worse. In the beginning, it was better.
No, yours is not. Honestly, I don't even know. Okay, so I hope you guys like my video. So I hope you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what I should do next. And I'm gonna be starting an Etsy shop, an Etsy shop. So to sell my slimes. And if you guys want any type of slimes I did in a video, or like any random slime you want me to do, just comment down below what slime, and turn that notification on to get notified whenever I do a new video. Give it a thumbs up. And question of the day is, who's your favorite person I did a video with? Like Ray, how I taught him how to make slime. So my sister, how she was in random videos. My brother, who was in the fire rules and taste tests and random stuff, or Jenna, or like Mac. Okay, bye. I love you guys. Bye. 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 Bye.